Hey everyone, this is Tyler from JLMI, and here I am again today to introduce to you the fourth out of the 5 classes that we'll be offering from July 23rd and July 27th, and it is called Create Your Own Movie Clip in Japanese. In this class, you'll learn how to make a 30-second video of your favorite memories made in Japan, in Japanese, based off a prepared storyboard template. Here we'll go over story structure, storytelling, filming and editing tips and tricks, and the sort of typical or like the basics needed to make a short yet fun video of your experiences in Japan. To give you all a better idea or some sort of image of what kind of video you'll be making, why don't you check out the one that I prepared. Kind of looks a little bit something like that. Instead, it's going to be 30 seconds long, and I'm quite confident saying that yours are going to be a lot better than mine. What's more, we help you step by step on how to add Japanese captions to the video. So no background in the Japanese language is required at all. So have no fear, it's going to be a lot of fun, and you'll have something cool to show off to your friends and family back at home. So there you have it. Create your own movie clip in Japanese. So come on down and learn how to make a short yet fun 30-second video of your memories or experiences in Japan. It's going to be a lot of fun. And for more information, be sure to check us out on our homepage, Facebook page, and on TripAdvisor as well. And be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more on anything and everything Japanese pop culture.